So in regards to frontline studies, the long-awaited CheckMate-459 study recently had a press release. CheckMate-459 is the definitive study to establish nivolumab's activity in advanced liver cancer. Nivolumab, as everyone is familiar with, is an anti-PD-1 antibody. It's really changed the landscape of many tumors, the management of many tumors, and in liver cancer, a large phase 1-2 study, established that the drug does have activity in liver cancer as well. Response rates were around 14 to 15% in a population of patients who had progressed on prior sorafenib. And if you responded, the median duration of response was quite long, over 16 months. And again, moving from sorafenib, which had no significant response rate, to lenvatinib, where we see modified RECIST response rates of around 20%. But now we have the checkpoint inhibitors like nivolumab and pembrolizumab, which have response rates in the 15% range, but the duration of response is very long. And that was a very impressive data set. The drug didn't have any new toxicities in this liver population as compared to other malignancies. And it got accelerated approval in the second-line setting, as did pembrolizumab subsequently. And so the CheckMate-459 study was launched to try to show that nivolumab is superior to sorafenib in the frontline setting. And again, it's always been felt that sorafenib is an easy hurdle to beat, especially now with a drug that had such provocative data in the second line with these long, durable responses. But the press release that came out just a few weeks ago suggested the study did not meet its statistical endpoint. It was powered for superiority, unlike the lenvatinib study, which was non-inferiority. This study was powered for superiority, and we're really waiting to see those results presented. I suspect we'll see those at a meeting in the near future. Is this the end for nivolumab in liver cancer? I don't think so. We'll have to see that data in detail, because what we're seeing in both frontline and second-line studies now is our assumptions for how long patients will live in the control arm, for example with sorafenib, is getting longer. And it's getting longer because we have other agents to use in liver cancer after progression on sorafenib. When the CheckMate-459 study was designed, sorafenib was the only drug still approved in liver cancer. And now we have 5 drugs available in the United States for liver cancer, and that's probably changing the natural history of advanced liver cancer. So these data will be scrutinized and looked at very carefully. The press release does suggest it has some activity. The hazard ratio in the intent to treat population was published as 0.87, I think, and we'll have to see those results in detail.